When I started at university, I was doing a physics degree, and I had an option, which was to take earth sciences. And in earth sciences, I started to learn about all of the processes that were going on at the coast, and also in the bush, in the geology of the landscape where I'd spent a lot of time. And that inspired me to leave the pure mathematics and physics and apply those skills to environmental science. So I've ended up working in coastal hazards, which is all about sea levels and waves. And it's exactly the sort of thing that I used to do when I was out there playing in the waves as a child. Coastal flooding causes millions of dollars of damage. Severe flooding is uncommon, but that will become much more frequent because the sea level is rising. New Zealand is planning for 1 metre of sea level rise over the next 100 years. This creates a ticking time bomb for some communities living close to the coast. For example, in Auckland, in January 2011, a storm occurred at the same time as very high tides, and that caused widespread flooding, closed the motorways, and resulted in millions of dollars of insurance claims. My calculations have shown that sea levels of this height have only a 1% chance of occurring right now, but in 30 years' time, sea levels of this height will have a 10% chance of occurring per year, and a few decades later will occur once or more every year. I've developed computer models which can tell us the size and likelihood of very high tides, large storm surges and waves all occurring at the same time to cause extreme sea levels and flooding. I've provided coastal planners with easy to use tools to help them to understand coastal hazard risk and how that risk will increase in the future. In the Pacific Islands, extreme cyclone waves can drive sea levels up to 15 metres or more above normal, and that causes mass destruction and loss of life. So my extreme wave model has revolutionised engineering design in places like Mangaia in the Cook Islands, where we helped to plan for the future safe location of their hospital and school.